AI was trained on, the sources it considered, and the potential biases it might exhibit. Transparency enables accountability. By understanding how an AI system works, we can better assess its reliability, identify potential biases, and hold its developers accountable for its outputs. This is crucial in journalism, where trust and credibility are paramount. Imagine an AI system that generates a news story based on information from unverified sources. Without transparency, readers would have no way of knowing the potential unreliability of this information, potentially leading to the spread of misinformation. Achieving transparency in AI requires clear explanations of the AI's functionality, accessible documentation of its training data, and open disclosure of its potential limitations. It also involves creating mechanisms for users to understand the AI's decision-making processes, enabling them to identify potential biases and challenge its outputs. In essence, transparency fosters trust, allowing users to engage with AI-generated news in a more informed and critical manner. Integrating AI ethically into journalism necessitates a proactive and multifaceted strategy. We must establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment in the news industry, ensuring that AI upholds journalistic values of truth, accuracy, fairness, and accountability. These guidelines should address issues of bias, transparency, and data privacy, providing a framework for responsible AI development and deployment. Education and training are crucial in this endeavor. Journalists need to understand how AI works, its potential benefits and risks, and how to use it ethically and effectively. Similarly, AI developers need to understand the specific ethical considerations relevant to journalism, ensuring they design and deploy AI systems that align with journalistic principles. Collaboration between these two groups is essential, fostering a shared understanding of the ethical challenges and opportunities presented by AI in journalism. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential to ensure that AI systems remain aligned with ethical standards over time. This involves regularly assessing the AI's performance, identifying any emerging biases, and implementing necessary corrections. It also requires establishing feedback mechanisms for users to report concerns and contribute to the ongoing improvement of AI systems. By embracing a culture of continuous learning and improvement, we can harness the power of AI while mitigating its potential ethical pitfalls. The proliferation of AI in news presents us with a pivotal moment. We can harness AI's capabilities to enhance journalism, providing more efficient, personalized, and insightful news experiences. However, this hinges on our ability to navigate the ethical challenges posed by AI. By prioritizing transparency, addressing bias, and establishing robust ethical guidelines, we can ensure that AI serves as a force for good in journalism. The future of news hinges on a collaborative effort. Journalists, AI developers, policymakers, and the public must work together to shape an ethical framework for AI-generated news. This involves open dialogue, shared learning, and a commitment to upholding journalistic values in the age of AI. As we venture into this uncharted territory, our collective responsibility is to ensure that AI empowers, rather than undermines, the core principles of journalism. Ultimately, the goal is not to replace human journalists with AI, but to empower them with tools that enhance their work. By embracing AI responsibly, we can create a future where technology and human ingenuity work in tandem, delivering news that is not only informative but also ethical, trustworthy, and conducive to a well-informed and just society. The path forward requires vigilance, collaboration, and a steadfast commitment to the ethical principles that underpin journalism's vital role in a democratic society.